As you can see, we got a bit of snow today. Look at this, all of the snow on the bush. So much more than before. Look at that. That's all on top of this bush. It's just crazy. Crazy, I say. And that's even after wind and rain. Yeah, that's just crazy stuff. Woo! Look, I opened up the door and there's a bunch of snow. Yeah. And more snow. Crazy, crazy day. Now, there was more snow on top of everything, but the wind has really blown some of it away. But look at this. It's crazy. Yeah. It's like over a foot of snow in front of here.